All right, so the one that says recipe for apple cider calls for 4 cups of apple juice and 3 cups of water. Oops. So really, what you're looking for is 4 out of 7% over the total. So you have 4 cups of applesauce you want out of the total, which is 4 out of 7. So if you wanted to make that into a percent, you're going to equal to something out of 100. Right? Percentage means part of 100. So that's how you would set it up. So there's just one on there that for whatever reason they have it the same way. It's just everything's upside down. So it looks like this. It's like 7/4 equals 100 over x. Nothing changes. You cross multiply, get the same answer. So that's for, I guess it's number 3. And then let's see here. Next one about the car, Romeo and his car. My phone's screwing up. You got 380 and 75. So it says the sales tax rate is 7.5%, which is a reasonable estimate. Well, so 7.5%, it's that much more, right? That goes on top of your $380. So like one of them's $28, so that's way less. One's 410. So you've got your choices are 28.50. So it can't be that. If the cost is 380, it has to be more than that, right? So it can't be the 28.50. You've got 410 as a choice. Another one is 352. Same thing. It's less. It can't be less. You get taxed. The reason people don't like taxes because it costs you more money. So you got 410 and 442 are the only ones that are reasonable because they're greater. But just remember, 7.5% of 380 is not very much. So it's not much more than that. Like 10% would be $38. All right, $38 more than that. So 7% would be less than $38 more than that. So it's got to be 410. All right, let's see your other ones here. Dun, dun, dun. So you've got Javier and what was the percent increase from week 2 to week 4? So you've got from 25 to 33. So all you have to do is just find the difference between these two numbers. So 33 minus 25 gives you 8. So that's how much it went up, right? It was 8. And what did you have in the first place, which was you had 25. That was what 100% was. So you just have 8 over 25, whatever you get times 100. So if you do 8 divided by 25, you're going to get 0.32 times 100, moves a decimal over 2 places, which is 32%. And then the last one, which set of ratios is not equivalent to 3/4. It looks like you crossed one out that said 6 to 9. So that simplifies to 2/3, which is not equivalent to 3/4. So it's definitely that one. Sorry, I had to put the kids to bed, so this is the best I can do for tonight. All right, see ya.